All right, folks, 2003 F250 with a 6-liter diesel, all the way, straight pipe. I got a bad blinker. When you turn left or right and you get the unusual, usually it's like a click, click, click of your blinker. The second it's on one of the directions goes click, 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 you know you've got a bad blinker. That could be the front, could be the back. So first thing to do is to figure out if it's in the front or in the back, and then find out what kind of bulb you got. And for this beast of a truck, it is a, where'd that thing go? It's a H30. It's this right here. Check this out. It is a 3157. I'll bring this over here. And two 8mm little bolts right there. I have not done this before, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty easy. So this right here gets it loose. And then there's probably a little... Oh, thank you. That helps a little. Good stuff. I'm going to have to put you down. See if we can... Maybe it just... I knew it. Okay, maybe. Oh, that sounds horrible. Did I break it? Did we break it? I mean, maybe not. All right, I think we're good. Wow. Okay. All right, here we are, folks. Once again, whole thing is now out. This little snap goes in there. Oh, that's a little fragile. And also goes in there, so it is kind of like out this direction. It kind of feels like you're going to break it, and I don't think I did. I don't think those had anything else on them. They just kind of guide into right there. Anyways, I've got a blinker out, so that is what I'm changing. I'm pretty sure this blinker is this top one. So we're going to get this off without breaking it, ideally. Just like that. Oh dear. It's a fragile. It's probably never been changed before. Well, you know what? I bet I can just twist, and the bulb actually is going to come out. Oh. I'm going to hold this like that. Yeah, so this bulb right here comes out like that. 3157K, 3157 going in. All right, yeah, so learn from my mistakes. You don't need to disconnect the light plug. I shouldn't have done that. All right. This should be able to go in any direction. Just like that. I'm going to leave it out, let that hang there, and now I'm going to do a brake check and hazards. Well, there we go, folks. That's the hazards. I did not have hazards before. I got it in the front, I got it in the back. We're golden. Cool, let's button this baby up, just like it went in.